Today we are making an amazing tomato and ricotta pasta in less than 15 minutes. Now before you start doing anything else, make sure your pasta water is on the heat with a good amount of salt because pasta loves salt. We are continuing by setting the pan on medium-high heat, and when the pan is hot enough, we're going in with 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Now we're following up with a quarter of small white onion, which is chopped finely, same with 1 clove of garlic, and they go straight in. Now we're gonna cook the onion and the garlic for about 3 to 5 minutes or until the onion is becoming translucent. Now at this stage, you wanna add some tomato sauce, and in this situation, we've got some shop-bought tomato passata. If you wanna make your own tomato sauce, I'm gonna leave a recipe right here, but for the sake of like speeding everything up and being under 15 minutes, we're gonna go with this. Now is also the time when we're going in with a bit of seasoning, and I've got here some salt. We're going in with a good pinch, and also a pinch of freshly ground black pepper, together with another pinch of dry oregano for that Italian vibe. Now bring the sauce to simmering temperature and continue simmering it so we get all these flavors combined for about 5 minutes. Meanwhile, we are ready to go in with the pasta. Now with your pasta cooked al dente, we can go over the tomato sauce. The sauce is slightly too thick, so we're going in with about half ladle of pasta water. Now continue cooking this for about a minute so the pasta has the chance to absorb some of that sauce. And after that we can go in with 1 full tablespoon of ricotta cheese. Turn off the heat and try to incorporate this into the pasta. And it looks like we need just a touch more of the pasta water. Mix everything together, taste and see if it needs any more seasoning. It tastes perfectly fine. I don't want to add any more salt or pepper, but if you want, you can. When you serve it, add a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil if you wish, some grated parmesan, and maybe some chopped parsley. I really hope that you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple recipes like this.